Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how you assign inspections for analysis or review by different users. Let's get started. To assign inspections, you will begin by clicking Inspections on the left bar menu. You can see here under Company, the companies that our inspections will have been assigned to. When you create a new inspection, we can assign the inspection company owner as part of the initial setup. And in this example, we will select Customer A as the company owner. For existing inspections that we either want to change or add the company owner, we can click on the inspection and then we will click the Inspection Details button at the lower left of the map panel. Then click on the Edit button here. We add or change the inspection company owner by selecting the proper company in the drop-down menu, again using Customer A for this example. Then, click Save. It's important to note that users will not be able to see the inspection until we publish the inspection. Then, once you're satisfied and ready to push the inspection to them, just press Publish Inspection. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.